Well, hello, m'lady, m'gentleman, or m'cyborg. It appears you've found the Easter egg hidden inside my MakerChip. I've got a little story for you tonight. It concerns three of my friends, a 3D printer guy, a crypto bro, and a software developer. They were all taking the ferry across the Hudson in New York City. Halfway through the trip, they get an awfully alarming message on the PA. The ferry was overloaded. We need passengers to throw anything unnecessary overboard. 3D printing guy is the first one to react. Dives into his backpack, pulls out 2 giant reels of PLA and says, "In my hobby, we got more of these than we know what to do with. We're just trying to find ways to get rid of them." And he chucks it overboard. Next up is a crypto bro. He pops open his briefcase and grabs a handful of graphics cards. And he says, "Well, in my hobby, we have more of these than we know what to do with. We're just looking for ways to unload them." He throws them overboard. So the software developer looks in his bag, looks around. The software developer throws the crypto bro overboard. Thanks for scanning my MakerChip, and I'll see you in the future.